My fellow women, let us reason together. Let us reason together because this thing is becoming too much for our men. How can a man impregnate a woman? You impregnated a woman and you ran away. When I confronted him, he has the guts to ask me a question. Do you know what he asked me? Can you imagine the question this man asked me? He asked me, after scoring goal as a footballer, do you still need to remain in the post? That you need to run away, celebrate, and prepare to come back for another goal. Imagine that. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? Like the one that stopped me the other day with pot belly, like illegal structure, marked for demolition. He stopped me. I asked him, why do you want to cheat on your wife? Do you know what that man told me? He said that cheating on your wife is like hiring a taxi for a short trip, while your own car is parked at home to save the tire from scratching. Imagine that. Men, why? No, tell me, men, why? Now, my ladies, listen to me. Stop being shy or afraid to accept money or airtime from your ex-boyfriend simply because you want to save the face of your husband who doesn't care about you. Go ahead, collect the money, collect the recharge card. Listen to me. Whatever you collect from your ex-boyfriend after your marriage is your pension. Go ahead, collect it. Collect it because having retired from that relationship with your ex, whatever he gives you is your pension. Collect it. Collect it. You need your pension to survive as a retired officer. Haba, ndowa. Hey, why are you crying? No, tell me, young girl, why are you crying? Why are you crying because a man left you? Stop crying. Let him go. Stop crying. Boys are like clothes. You can never be naked no matter how poor you are. Stop crying. He is dating you and he's still hanging out with other girls. And you are here crying. Why are you crying when your ex-boyfriend has been inviting you over for fun? And you're telling him that you love your man. You love your man and you don't want to double date. Who told you? Who told you? No, tell me, who told you that? Don't you know that having fun with your ex is like revising your past question paper? It is highly recommended if you want to pass your exams. Go ahead, take it. Take your revision and pass your exams, baby. Haba, what is this? Ndowa. Hey! Please, write us on WhatsApp to tell us any video you want us to do. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video. Thank you.